Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Talk. I'm Mary, and I'm so happy you're learning English with us today.
Hi, everyone. This is Tom speaking. Thank you for spending your time with us again.
Today's topic is about the future. We're going to talk about will and going to.
Yes, these two forms both talk about the future, but they are not used in the same way.
Let's start with something simple. Both will and going to are used for future actions.
But the difference is about intention and timing. When did you decide?
We use will for quick decisions made at the moment of speaking.
For example, the phone is ringing.
You can say, I will answer it.
You just decided right now, so we use will.
We also use will for promises.
For example, I will help you.
Or predictions based on opinion.
I think it will rain tomorrow.
Now let's talk about going to. We use it for planned decisions.
That means you decided before speaking.
For example, I'm going to visit my grandmother this weekend.
You already planned it earlier.
We also use going to for predictions based on evidence.
For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain.
You see clear signs, so you use going to.
Let's compare two situations.
Situation 1. You're hungry.
You suddenly decide, I will make a sandwich.
That's a quick decision.
Situation 2. You planned dinner earlier.
You say, I'm going to cook pasta tonight.
That's a prior plan.
Let's test our listeners.
Fill in the blank. I think she blank passed the exam.
The correct answer is will, because it's an opinion.
Next one. We blank travel next month. The tickets are already booked.
The answer is are going to, because it's already planned.
Don't worry if it feels confusing. This is very common for learners.
Focus on one question. Did I decide now or before?
That question helps you choose correctly.
With practice, it becomes automatic.
In part 2, we'll go deeper into real-life examples.
We'll practice natural conversations using will and going to.
Stay with us.
You're doing great. Now, we're going to use will and going to in real conversations.
Yes, this is where grammar becomes natural. You'll hear how these forms work in daily life.
Let's imagine we're at home. The doorbell rings.
I'll start the conversation. Oh, someone is at the door. I will open it.
Thanks. I will finish washing the dishes.
See what happened? We decided at that moment.
Exactly. That's why we used will.
Now let's imagine it's the weekend.
And we already talked about dinner plans yesterday. Tom, what are you going to cook tonight?
I'm going to make pasta. I bought the ingredients this morning.
That sounds delicious. I'm going to invite my sister to join us.
Great. Everything was planned before speaking.
Let's talk about travel.
Good idea. Travel plans are perfect for going to. Are you going to travel this year?
Yes, I'm going to visit Canada in December. I already booked my ticket.
That's exciting. I'm going to save more money first.
So your plan is not final yet.
Not completely, but I'm going to try my best.
Now let's talk about predictions.
There are two types, opinion and evidence.
For opinion, we use will. For example, I think it will be busy tomorrow.
That's just your guess.
But if we see dark clouds, we say it's going to rain.
Because we see clear evidence.
We often use will when offering help.
For example, I will carry that bag for you.
Or, I'll help you with your homework.
These are instant decisions. You decide while speaking.
Let's do a quick test.
Fill in the blank. Wait, I blank answer the phone.
The correct answer is will. because it's spontaneous.
Next one. We blank move to a new apartment next month. The contract is signed.
The answer is are going to, because the decision is already made.
When you speak English, don't think too long.
Ask yourself one quick question. Was this planned?
If yes, use going to.
If it's a quick reaction, use will.
Simple thinking leads to clear speaking.
In part 3, we'll talk about common mistakes.
Yes, mistakes learners often make with will and going to.
We'll also explain contractions like I'll. Now let's fix some common mistakes.
Yes, this is where many learners feel unsure, but we'll make it simple and clear.
Some students use will for every future sentence.
For example, I will travel next month. The ticket is already booked.
That sounds possible, but going to is more natural.
Because the plan was made earlier.
So the better sentence is, I'm going to travel next month.
Another mistake is saying, wait, I'm going to answer the phone.
If you just decided right now, will sounds more natural.
So you should say, wait, I'll answer the phone.
Remember, quick reaction equals will. Some learners forget the correct structure.
For will, the structure is simple. Subject plus will plus base verb.
For example, she will study tonight.
For going to, you need the verb to be.
The structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus going to, plus base verb.
For example, they are going to study tonight.
In real conversation, we often use contractions.
Instead of saying I will, we say I'll.
Instead of saying she will, we say she'll.
Instead of saying they will, we say they'll.
Contractions sound more natural in speaking.
But in formal writing, you can use the full form.
Let's compare two sentences.
I think he will win.
That's an opinion.
Now another one. Look at him. He's going to win.
That means you see evidence. Maybe he's already leading.
So the difference is reasoning. Opinion versus visible proof.
Let's correct some sentences.
Sentence 1. I'm going to help you, said suddenly.
If it's spontaneous, it should be, I'll help you.
Sentence 2. We will visit our grandparents this Sunday. We planned it last week.
More natural would be, we're going to visit our grandparents. When you practice, create two versions of the same sentence.
One with will and one with going to.
For example, I'll start studying now.
And I'm going to start studying at 7 p.m.
That helps you feel the difference.
The more you compare, the clearer it becomes.
Don't be afraid of mixing them sometimes. Even native speakers focus more on meaning.
Communication is the main goal.
If people understand your idea, you're doing well.
Accuracy improves with practice.
In part 4, we'll practice longer conversations.
Yes, full real-life dialogues using both forms naturally.
That will help you feel confident. Now, we're going to practice longer conversations.
Yes, this part will help you speak more naturally. You'll hear both forms used in real situations.
Tom, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents. We planned it last week.
That sounds nice. Are you going to stay overnight?
Yes, I am. But I think I'll come back early on Sunday.
So the visit is planned, but the return time is just your opinion.
Exactly. That's why I used I'll.
Oh no, the computer just stopped working.
Don't worry. I'll check it right now.
Thank you. If it's broken, we're going to call a technician.
Good idea. I hope it will be something simple.
See the difference? Quick help uses will.
And a planned action uses going to.
Are you going to travel this summer?
Yes, I'm going to visit Singapore. I already bought the tickets.
That's exciting. I think you'll enjoy it there.
I hope so. I'll send you pictures.
Please do. I'm going to plan my trip later this year.
Look at the sky. It's getting darker.
Yes, it's going to rain soon.
I'll close the windows.
Good idea. The wind will get stronger later.
That's your prediction?
Yes, just my opinion. We have an important meeting tomorrow.
I know. I'm going to prepare the documents tonight.
That's responsible. I'll review your slides in the morning.
Thank you. I think everything will go smoothly.
I hope so too. We're going to do our best. Now it's your turn. Imagine your own weekend plan.
Say 3 sentences with going to.
Then say 3 quick decisions using will.
For example, I'm going to clean my room tomorrow.
And I'll answer the message now.
Practice both forms clearly.
Don't speak too fast at first.
Focus on correct structure.
With time, speed will improve naturally.
Confidence grows with repetition.
In the final part, we'll summarize everything.
We'll review key points and give you a final challenge.
Stay with us for part 5.
You're doing an excellent job.
Welcome to the final part of today's episode. We've covered a lot about the future tense.
Yes, we talked about rules, mistakes, and real conversations. Now let's review the key ideas clearly.
We use will for quick decisions made at the moment of speaking.
We also use will for promises and personal opinions.
For example, I'll help you.
Or, I think it will be fine.
On the other hand, we use going to for plans made before speaking.
And for predictions based on clear evidence.
For example, I'm going to start a new course next month.
Or, look at those clouds. It's going to rain.
Let's finish with one more natural dialogue.
Great idea. I'll begin. Mary, what are you going to do after this recording?
I'm going to edit the episode. Then I'll upload it tonight.
That sounds productive. I'll write the episode description.
Perfect. I think our listeners will enjoy it.
I hope so. We're going to keep improving every week.
Now it's your turn, dear listeners.
Create 4 sentences with will.
Then create 4 sentences with going to.
Make sure you know why you chose each one.
Ask yourself, is this planned or spontaneous?
That question makes everything clearer.
Learning grammar is not about memorizing rules only.
It's about understanding situations.
The more you listen and practice, the more natural it becomes.
Step by step, your confidence will grow.
And your speaking will become smoother. Thank you so much for listening to Podcast English Talk.
We truly appreciate your support and your time.
If this episode helped you understand will and going to, please share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
When you subscribe, you won't miss our next English lesson.
We'll continue bringing practical topics that help you speak naturally.
All right, everyone, that's all for today. Keep practicing and stay motivated.
Take care and keep improving your English every day.
This is Mary.
And this is Tom.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.